go shopping and we're going to IKEA, so follow us. For today's shopping, we are going to go upstairs to the little kids area where we're going to just browse what they have. This train set is an open-ended play toy, which is a must-have. I have it, I don't regret it, I actually have the extra set. If you have a child that throws everything, this toy is a must-have. This big felt wheel is double-sided and it comes with little creatures that have Velcro attached to the bottom. So you go across the room and you throw them as much as you can and it'll just get that child throwing something that's safe. This big roll of paper is only $4 and you're going to use it so much. It is so good quality, it's very thick, it doesn't rip, so it's a must-have. Their chalk is awesome. It is very bright colors. It's a little bit better quality than the dollar store, so it's a fun one to have. And moving on to the art section, we are definitely doing an art project, so a little safety gear goes a long way, along with these awesome paints that are very bright and very good quality. So those are fun. And then of course, if you don't have a place to sit, this $49 table is great for the little ones, and then the bigger ones are better for the toddlers and preschoolers. Happy shopping!